Okay guys, so today again we're going to be using the 12-inch Meade light bridge, and of course I'm going to be using this phone here in the docking station of the StarSense, and then a cell phone to here, and we're going to be looking again at a few deep sky objects. Again, we are in a white zone. That's actually Jupiter up there. And then Mars is, can you see it? I don't know. So the phone is not. And then the moon is just rising over there. Again, I'm in a white zone, but I have all these street lights hitting me. So if you guys even have an 8 to 10 inch, that might be about equal. Or let's say maybe closer to a 10 inch if you have no street lights hitting, compared to me using a 12-inch with all these lights shining. Let me just fix that a little bit. And I'll see you guys in a bit. We'll see if I can show you guys. Guys, we're going to go for one more cluster. So if you can find Andromeda, which is this line over here. Again, remember, Andromeda Galaxy's up here. But what we're going to go for is, let's try this here. NGC 752. Now this is a fairly easy, because you should be able to see these three stars even from a city. 2.1 magnitude, 2 magnitude, and 2.1. So you should see this easily. This one's going to be a bit dim, this constellation, Triangulum. And that galaxy is going to be really, it's actually a dim galaxy, but from the city is going to be impossible. But this cluster, loose open cluster, visible in binoculars, magnitude 7. So you should be able to see that guaranteed. Let's go try for that. Also, for you guys that want, this is a double star. But we're not going to do that. We're going to go for the cluster. Okay guys, so here is a photo that I took at the eyepiece with a cell phone only. And somehow I can't find where I put the video. I must have accidentally deleted, or maybe I didn't hit the button. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video of what this cluster is. Very easy, so definitely try to find this cluster and look at it in a telescope. Hey guys, to find these two clusters, go look at the Taurus constellation, which is the horns right next to our Auriga. And it's right here, open cluster for binoculars. So NGC 1746, very easy in a 32 millimeter eyepiece. It's not too far away from the Crab Nebula, but we're not going to see the Crab Nebula from a white zone. Okay guys, so I have here today in Taurus a cluster called NGC 1746. Now it's a bit easier on the easier in the eyepiece, but showing it to you on the cell phone, there it is. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. So another cluster that you can see even from a white zone and in a cell phone. So hopefully you like that. I'll try to take a 5-second shot with this. Hey guys, hopefully you guys liked that. Now remember, I have everything against me. If you guys want to see some of that deep sky stuff, remember, if you can block all type of lights, that would be preferably. With a blocker or just curtains or whatever. At one time when I when I first got into hobby, I used to put a blanket, one that I didn't need, over a chain link fence that was blocking one light. So again, that's the most important thing. Wherever light pollution that you're located in, just to make sure you could try to block all the lights from getting to your telescope and yourself. Now, when you're just looking at the the moon and planets and that type of stuff, maybe double stars, it's not so bad. But beyond that, the deep sky objects, you should be like dark adapted. You should have nothing interfering if you can. But even if you can't, worst case scenario, if you have a big enough telescope, okay, minimum would be 8, 10, or 12, in that range, you can see a lot of deep sky objects. You just got to go a little bit bigger. Of course, even if you shield all the lighting around you, that would be even better. But again, a lot of people think just because you're in a big city, and I'm located, Toronto, like population 4 million, and the white zone is huge. So again, you just by going a little bit bigger, you can see a lot of stuff. But if once in a while you do get out of the city, it would be tenfold or 100-fold better. But anyway, I'm just showing you guys that you can do a lot from the city. And you can do a lot with just a plain smartphone that you have of these days. You don't need complicated astrophotography rigs that cost in the tens of thousands. Anyway, guys, like, comment, subscribe. If you know anybody that's into astronomy, share my link and my channel with them. If you guys are on any forums and somebody's asked a question about maybe city astronomy, can you observe from the city? Cell phone, can you use it? Is it good? Share my link. Appreciate it. Cheers. Why not you? Why not me?